जय माँ भारती समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्य वर्तमान की आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMS समाचार चैनल फ्रॉम द इंटरनेशनल वर्ल्ड। Laos is a socialist state and the only landlocked country in Southeast Asia at the heart of Indo-Chinese Peninsula. Laos is bordered by Myanmar and China to the northwest, Vietnam to the east, Cambodia to the southwest, and Thailand to the west and southwest. India-Laos relations are bilateral relations between South Asian country India and Southeast Asian country Laos. Diplomatic relations between the two nations were established in February 1956. First Prime Minister of India Jawaharlal Nehru visited Laos in 1954, while first President of India Rajendra Prasad visited Laos in 1956. India considered Laos as strategically important accordance with China's growing land reclamation activities in the South China Sea. Laos-China relations have considered of trade and aid, largely in road construction in the northern provinces of Laos without directly challenging the interests of Thailand or Vietnam in the central and southern region. Tension prevails over the LOC only after the Pangong conflict will end. Education after CBSE Rajasthan government is also considering to go to the syllabus home. The responsibility assigned to Arts BSE and RACERT. Sacraments, major temples of Mathura will be closed for 2 or 3 days for devotees. Environment. North Button Island National Park is a national park in the Andaman and Nicobar Island along the coast of India. The park is about 44 square miles and home to many creatures such as the dugong and the dolphin. North Button Island National Park was set up in 1979 and situated in the Andaman district. In Windsor, Archimedes of Syracuse was born on 287 BC. He was a Greek mathematician, physicist, engineer, inventor, and astronomer. Although few details of his life are known, he is regarded as one of the leading scientists in classical antiquity, considered to be the greatest mathematicians of ancient history and one of the greatest of all time. Archimedes anticipated modern calculus and analysis by applying concepts of infinite simals and the method of exhaustion to derive and rigorously prove a range of geometrical theorems. Great person Bhamasa was born on 1542. He was a noted general minister and close aide of Maharana Pratap. Bhamasa is well known for providing his wealth to Maharana Pratap when Maharana had become financially weak and were to the point of starvation. The funds provided by the Bhamasa allowed him to restore his army and much of his territory. State. The history of Kashmir is intertwined with the history of the broader Indian subcontinent and the surrounding regions comprising the area of Central Asia, South Asia and East Asia. Historically, Kashmir referred to the Kashmir Valley. Today it denotes a larger area that includes the Indian administrated union territories of Jammu and Kashmir, consists of Jammu and Kashmir Valley and Ladakh, the Pakistan administrated territories of Azad Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan, and the Chinese administrated regions of Aksai Chin and the Trans-Karakoram Tract. Crops. Pearl millet is the most widely grown type of millet. It has been grown in Africa and the Indian subcontinent since prehistoric times. The center of diversity and suggested area of domestication for the crop is the Sahel zone of West Africa. Recent archaeobotanical research has confirmed the presence domesticated pearl millet on the Sahel zone of northern Mali, which 2500 and 2000 BC. Cultivation subsequently spread and moved overseas to India. Fruits. Ficus carica is an Asian species of flowering plant in the mulberry family known as the common fig. It is the source of the fruit, also called the fig, and must, as such, is an important crop in those areas where it was grown commercially. Flowers. Mimosa pudica is a creeping annual or perennial flowering plant of the Pealaceum family, Fabaceae, and Mongoliopodi taxon, often grown for its curiosity value. The compound leaves fold inward and droop when touched or shaken, defending themselves from harm and reopen a few minutes later. Yoga Bakashan and the similar Kakashan are balancing asana in Hatha Yoga and modern yoga as exercise. In all variation, these are arm balancing poses in which hands are planted on the floor, since rest upon upper arms and feet lift up. The poses are often confused, but traditionally Kakasana has arms bent, Bakashan has the arms straight. The health benefits of Bakashan: turns the abdominal wall, strengthens the arms, stretch and strengthens the back, opens the groin. Universe. The Karakum Desert is a desert in Central Asia. It means black sand in Turkish language in reference to the dark soil that lies beneath the sandy surface of much of the desert. It occupies about 70% or 350,000 kilometers square of the area of Turkmenistan. Maths. In classical mathematics, analytic geometry, also known as coordinate geometry or Cartesian geometry, is the study of geometry using a coordinate system. This contrasts with synthetic geometry. Analytic geometry is used in physics and engineering, and also in aviation, rocketry, space science, and space flight. It is the foundation of most modern fields of geometry, including algebraic, differential, discrete, and computational geometry. Ayurveda. Butea monosperma is a species of Butea native to tropical and subtropical parts of the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, ranging across India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, Vietnam, Malaysia, and western Indonesia. Common names include flame of the forest and bastard pig. It is used for timber, ration, fodder, medicine, and dye. Village town. Bhagalpur is a city of historical importance on the southern banks of the river Ganges in the Indian state of Bihar. It is the third largest city of Bihar and also the headquarters of Bhagalpur district and Bhagalpur division, known as the Silk City. It is a major educational, commercial, and political center and listed for development under the Smart City program, a joint venture between government and industry. Today's event. 1576, Martin Frobisher sights Greenland. 1616, Samuel D. Champlain returns to Quebec. Waterloo Railway Station in London opens 1848. 1889, Tijuana, Mexico is founded. The first cultural pearl is obtained by Kokichi Mikimoto in 1893. Weather news. Red alert of heavy rains in eastern UP, Uttarakhand and Bihar. Committee threaten these states. Today's temperature in Patna 27 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 29 degrees Celsius. BBC or the British Broadcasting Corporation is a British public service broadcaster headquartered at Broadcasting House in Westminster, London. It is the world's oldest national broadcaster and the largest broadcaster in the world by number of employees. It employs over 22,000 staff in total, more than 16,000 of whom are in public sector broadcasting. The total number of staff is 35,402, when part-time, flexible and fixed contract staff are included. The BBC established under a Royal Chartered and operates under its agreement with Secretary of State for Digital Culture, Media and Sport. Its work is funded principally by an annual television license fee, which is charged to all British households, companies and organizations using any type of equipment to receive or record live television broadcast and iPlayer catch up. Let's start the pronunciation of some words. Often, it's just often, not often. Second word, ability. It's just ability, not ability. Today's word, that's all. I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय. इतना भरा.
सर्वगुण शांति शांतिरेव शांति सामा शांतिरेधि ओम शांति शांति शांति